Hi guys, in this section, let's now look at the Qlik Management Console. Now, this is the place where you would be spending most of your time if you are into the administration, the Qlik administration role. Uh, in the Qlik Management Console, as the name suggests, you manage, all the apps, all the streams, the data connections, most importantly, the users, the security rules, the, the permissions they have, and of course the governance. So let's have a look over here. You manage content, that is the apps, the streams, the users, etc. And then you manage the resources, right? The security rules, the license management, extensions. Then there is a governance, the monitoring apps, and you can also have a look at the configure systems like the nodes, how many of them are running, the service cluster, the engines, the schedulers, repositories, certificates, etc. So let's look at a few. Let's look at the apps very importantly. So if you want to upload any third-party apps to your machine, to your browser, that is, if you have an app in your local and you want to upload it to your work folder, you would probably go to apps and then click on import, and you can go ahead and choose a file and then choose. Let's say I have BA set analysis, and then I have a solution, and then I have BC2. I click on open and I click on import, right? So this would get imported. Now, where do I find it? I go to my ClickSense hub, and if I go to my work folder, okay, it would just take a while. Yes, here it is. So it would appear over here in my work folder, the app that I have just imported from my local. So this is something that I can do from the Qlik Management Console, as well as you can have a look at the data connections, the different data connections that are there. All right. Let's look at something very important like streams. So if you have a look at the streams, let's say if I am looking at this particular stream, click on edit. Then you can not just look at the different properties, but you can also look at the apps associated with this particular stream, uh, the users that have access, and also the security rules like uh, you know publish, duplicate, read and publish, all of these. So you can do all over here in the Qlik Management Console. Lot of other things. You can have a look at the users, right? And what are the roles they're having, if they are inactive or active, they are blocked or not. All of this information is available in the Qlik Management Console. Also, you can add the extensions. You can have a look at all the extensions. You can import any extensions that you get from any of the third parties. All right, so this is pretty much it. If you want to look at the nodes, how many of them are running, if you see 5 of 5 services are running, pretty neat. That's something as well you can find in the Qlik Management Console. But more or less, this is it. Explore on your own all the Qlik Management Console features and things you can do over here. If you are into the admin role, this is the place where you will spend most of your time managing the users, managing the security, uh, managing the apps and the content, and managing the whole system if the system and servers are running fine.